Hello, this is Miss Hancock's class, 3rd grade from Stout Field, and we're learning sound energy. Yay!
Okay, thanks for that great introduction. So, sound energy. And I can tell, I walk in your room and you already have the word sound energy. You've talked about these. What are these?
Waves.
And there's high ones and low ones. You've talked about
Pitch.
and volume. Volume. And so you have a head start. So today we're going to make a couple of different science instruments that make sound energy. You guys want to try it?
Yes.
Well, let's take a look at this. Okay, let me show you the first thing. It has to do with vibration. Everybody take your fingers, put them by your throat. On the count of 3, say, lean over and say, sound is vibration.
Sound is vibration.
Did you feel it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like, sound is vibration.
Sound is vibration.
So if we can make something vibrate, we can make something make noise. So check it out. Here is a ruler, and make sound. Wait a minute. Abracadabra, make sound. Well, I want to do it. Is it vibrating?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make it vibrate. There you go. Vibrate. Well, that didn't work. So what if I do this? Let me hold it tight here, and see if you hear something. Ready? Oh.
Sound. Amazing.
Sometimes I get carried away by sound. Oh, wait. Watch.
Even lower.
It's lower. Wait a minute.
That's a higher sound.
High?
That's low. It's high. That's low. That's really high. Come on.
Oh, wait. So, little things make high sounds, and big things make
Lower sounds.
watch this. And I should say, don't watch this, listen to this. Ready? Beg your pardon. I heard some other vibrations. As long as I don't smell those vibrations, we're okay. Let's try that again. A lot of sound energy in here. Here we go. No more human. Never mind. Here we go. Ready? Huh.
Sounds like a xylophone.
Now if I try this.
Oh, Jesus.
Listen. So if it's short, high,
No.
that's pretty cool. Okay, so this I like to call the Rubberband band because it has a rubber band. Now watch out, before you do it, check this out. Mine and yours have different thicknesses of rubber band. So I have a thick rubber band, and this is a thick one, and I have a thin rubber band. Now they make different sounds. Check this out. Here's my thin one. Show me with your thumb whether you think that'll make a high sound, medium sound, or low sound. A thin rubber band. Ready?
You ready?
Here we go. What kind of sound? High. In fact, listen here. All right, let's try the thick one. Ready? What kind of sound do you think the thick one's going to make? Show me your thumb. Thin? Thick? Now, you see how I'm doing this? I'm taking my finger and I'm pushing down and I'm plucking like this. Or like this. Let's take a closer look at you doing this.
I'm ready.
Here's a high sound. Try it. Any more high sounds? Here's a low sound. Any more low sounds? Let's try this again. We have one more instrument we're going to try. So let's line up here. We're going to pass out something called a palm pipe.
Let's come around this way. We'll come, guys, go and get in line that way.
Okay, you can see that we have different colors. These are called palm pipes. Let's see if you can follow my direction. Are you ready? First of all, there's no more. Give her some sound energy. That was very good. You notice that the palm pipes are different what? What are they? Different and different colors. The big ones make what kind of sound? Low. And the small blue one makes what kind of sound? High. So let's try again. So let's make a low sound. Ready? Low sound. High sound. And medium sound. Go ahead and draw 3 pipes and write the letters L for low, M for medium, and H for high. Go ahead. Nice job. low, medium, and H for high. What have you guys learned so far?
I've learned that different things can make sounds.
And what have you learned?
I've learned that big things can make low sounds and little things can make high sounds.
That is very cool. You guys have learned a lot already. So I asked Mr. Ewing to come in because in his class they've been studying sound energy, but he brought something with him. What do you have in your hand there?
I have headphones with a microphone attached, which
Yeah.
are attached to the computer, and an online oscilloscope.
What is that again?
Oscilloscope, I believe.
Well, why is it making all that bouncy stuff?
Well, I think a young lady back here can actually tell me that.
What? Go ahead. Tell me what's going on.
When he talks, when the waves get higher, it means there's a low sound, and when they get down here, it means there's a higher sound.
So this is actually sound waves we're looking at?
Yes.
I got to see this. So I'm going to let you take over. What's going on?
So when we initially talked in our class, we said we could probably see low sounds versus high sounds, and I used my voice as a way to do it. And I try not to use my words, because as we talk, our voice goes up and down in pitch. So I try to just make one constant sound. And usually I'm gonna try a low sound first, and I want you to watch the waves. Now here's a high sound. Talk to the person about what you saw. I think they can do a consistent low sound. And when I say you're not going to add words to it, it's just going to be.
I can do a low one, but I can't do a high one.
Let's see. We've got a volunteer right here.
Okay. Here we go.
That's pretty good.
Wah, wah, wah.
All right. And a high sound, Elijah?
I need something
make a
to
high
do.
sound like.
I can't do a
But
high
it has to be
sound.
the same the whole time, not like that. Just.
Here we go. Who's coming?
We should put a rat in here and have this hand happen.
A rat in the class would probably make your teacher do that. Go ahead. Nice. Did you notice it? Do it. Look at it while you're doing it.
All right, let's do it. I'll do mine and you do yours. Ready?
Okay, watch.
Here we go.
Watch the size of the waves. Did you see the size? Now do it together.
Oh, strange. Very cool. What do you call this?
This is called an online oscilloscope.
Very cool. Let's try someone's rubber band. Okay, let's try the high sound. Hold this up. Bing, bing, bing. Let's try the low sound. Try this one. Ready? Wow, you can see the low sound pretty good. Very nice. Let's try one more thing. Let's see if we can see the different sounds of these. So I'll try the long one first. Are you ready? Here we go. See the waves?
Yeah.
Here's the medium one. Ready? Let's see. Now the short one. Very cool. If you like that, you're going to love this next one.
We've been learning about sound waves and how different pitches are made from different frequencies of sound. And we learned that when you have something really thick, it makes a low pitch. When you have something thin, it makes a high pitch. And we looked at the guitar, and so what string looks like it's the thickest on the guitar? Can you go ahead and tell me? Which one? The biggest around. Which one looks like it's the thickest? This one? And so the thick one makes a really low sound if we listen. And then if we look at the really little string at the bottom, it makes a much higher pitch. You hear the difference?
Yeah.
Low, high. And then we can we also learned that when you make a string tighter or shorter, it makes a higher pitch. So this high pitch, I can make higher by pinching it down on the fret to make it shorter. Or way up here. Really high, and I can make it really low by just having it the thick one. Or I can make it less tight. This makes it tighter or looser, so if I go or if I make it tighter, it makes it. So we have our rubber band bands, and the more times you wrap it around, you notice it gets a higher pitch, because if we make the string tighter, it becomes a higher pitch. And if we make the string looser, it becomes a lower pitch. The thick rubber bands make a lower sound, and the thin rubber bands make a really high pitch like this.
Oh,
So that's what we've been learning
God.
with our rubber band bands this week. We are going to try our rubber band bands to match what I play. So, listen to me first, and then try to use your strings to match the pitches. Ready? Now you can go. Beautiful. Try it again.
Hey, think we could add the palm pipes? Some of you add palm pipes. Some of you play the rubber band. Ready? Try it again, everybody.
Go. On three. 1, 2, 3. Again.
Hey, you think we're ready to cut an album yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is amazing. Thanks for taking your time to do that. Let's give them some sound energy. Okay, now we're at the point of the lesson. We're going to make another instrument. Now, I'm going to tell you the directions. Please pay careful attention. You need a straw. And remember, we can get something to vibrate. We can get something to make sound. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to make 2 instruments. So I'm going to cut this, but I don't want to cut it in half. I want to make one short, maybe a third, and one long, 2/3. Now watch, let me do it first, then we'll have you do it. All right, I've cut 2 of these. One short, one long. Let's do the long one first. Ready? Watch. I'll do this twice, then you can do it. Don't cut yet. Take your straw. These are very important directions. You have to listen carefully. Take the straw, and in your mouth, and you do it like that. You hear what I said?
Yes.
Come on, pay attention. You take your straw, and in your mouth, and you do it like that. You heard what I said?
Yes.
Do I have to say it again? Don't you understand? You take your straw, and put it in your mouth, and you do it like that. What did I say? In your mouth, and chew it flat like that. When I chew it flat, look, it gets nice and flat. Now, here's what we're going to do. Nice and flat, and then I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to cut it like it's a point, like a rocket. 1, 2. And now, I have to put it back in my mouth, and if I do it right, I got these 2 little parts right here, and I go like this. Ready? Put my mouth over it, and I go. Ooh. But watch, let's do it again. Here's a short one. Put it in my mouth. Chew it like that. Nice and flat. Put it in my mouth. Chew it flat like that. Then I cut it like this. And like that to a point. So now I have 2. Ooh, one is long and one is short. How do you think it's going to sound? High and low. Let's find out. Ready? Now you don't bite down. Put your mouth over it. You want to try it? Yeah. Okay, let's take a closer look. Go ahead and cut them so you have a long and short one. There you go. Nice job. Show me your long and short one. Excellent. Now what are you going to do? Tell the directions again. You put it in your mouth. Say it.
You put it, hide it, and do it like this.
And chew it. Okay, go ahead. After you put it in your mouth and chew it flat, what do you do?
Cut it.
Cut it. Well, you're an expert at this. Go ahead, everybody do that. Once you're done with that, it's got to be a point. See how mine looks like a point? Let's try. If it's longer, what is it going to be? Even what?
Lower.
Ready? Oh, let's add another one. You think we can make it even lower?
Yeah.
So the bigger an animal, the lower the sound. Check it out. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you think I can make it even lower?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Going for the record. I better stand up for this one. Ready? There's one more. Here we go. I don't know if I can do this. We'll try it. Here's the longest world's record. Here we go. When I say, would you pull that bottom one off? Ready? Here we go. You hear how that went? From low to high. All right, let's try one more thing. Okay, so we saw what the sound was when it was really long. Should I try really short?
Yes.
But this is dangerous for me. Are you sure? You want me to do it?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Ready? But my wife doesn't want me to do this.
Do it anyway.
Do it anyway?
Yeah.
What if I get hurt?
All
All right, I'll try it. Ready? Ready? Are you sure I should do it?
Yes.
Okay, but here we go. I hate this part. But look at this handsome face. Well, my mustache. Okay, just do it. Here we go. Ready? So, what's good? Here we go. Ready? Don't panic. Easy for you to say. Oh my goodness. Is my mustache still there?
Yes.
Oh goodness. World's record, the highest sound. What happens if I put this back? What do you think the sound's going to do?
High, low.
Let's find out if it's true, right? All right, that was pretty cool. Let's show you one more thing. Okay, so I invited Haley up, and she brought one of her instruments out. Did you make this instrument?
No,
No, but you play it. What is it?
it's a violin.
So we've learned a lot about sound. Can you demonstrate some of the things? For example, are some of the strings thick?
Yes, the G string, which is the thickest, which makes a very low sound, and the E string is the thinnest, which makes a low sound,
A high sound, right? So do the G string, make it low. Go ahead, low sound.
which is right here.
Wow. Make the thin sound. What does it do? Can you pluck them with your finger and see what it sounds like?
And then E.
Oh, that is so cool. Not only does she know the science, but she knows the music. Play us something for us a little bit here. Come over here. Play a little bit for us. A little bit of science and music mixed together.
I can play a little bit of Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Go ahead.
That's part of Little Mary Had a Little Lamb.
That's cool. Just play some more sounds for us.
Can you play?
Here. Now the videographer becomes a musician, and the musician becomes a videographer.
That's
Hit it.
mine. Hannah! He's not supposed to sound like that. I don't know.
That's
It's
okay.
probably messed up.
May I try just a little bit?
You were having the wood piece hit the...
Yeah, but that's
Nuh-uh,
okay.
but you sing
Hey,
the-
here's the important thing. The important thing is this.
What's wrong with that? I can't see it.
I better stick to science and let you girls stick to learning the violin.
I don't know what he sounds like.
Hey, sound energy. Give me some sound energy.
My name is Haley and I play the violin.
Hannah, and I'm the videographer who filmed this lesson.